Welcome to the voting process. Today is a D-Day, the voting day. Our presiding officer, this is our EVM. The presiding officer will unlock the seal on the EVM. He is opening the EVM case.
Switching it on.
He's going to switch it on. The EVM has to be switched on before starting. You see?
Then sealed again.
The start vote display is present now. This EVM will be sealed again so that any other person cannot use it. Now our presiding officer will go through entire voting process. This second controller buttons that are provided to the presiding officer exclusively. These are separate from our EVM. The EVM are available only to the voters. The presiding officer controls these three buttons, which starts, ends, and also displays the vote count during voting. Now he's going to start vote here. As you can see, the voting has been started. Now he has to enter the password. He's going to enter the password.
It cannot be shown.
Sorry, this password cannot be shown and we have to move away from this. After the current password is given, the EVM will be activated for voting.
Now we have two options. Waiting for user.
Now to start voting process,
Voter.
the presiding officer now waits for the coming voters to do the voting process. Our voters have finally arrived. You remember Mr. Abhishek Bishnoi, the smart and talented. Hello Mr. Abhishek. Our presiding officer will start the identification. He will register his fingerprint. If it is correct and present in the database, it will give the correct ID. His ID is shown to be ID number 7. That was as per registration. Now the presiding officer will check his database by entering the ID that was provided by the verification software. Now it's going to enter the ID.
Enter.
And the database of the voter has been provided. His name is easily visible here, Mr. Abhishek Bishnoi. Similarly, now the next voter will come in. The first voter, will start the voting process now. He will activate using the LPT, the parallel port that will activate the EVM for the voting. Our EVM is in the waiting state at the moment. He will activate the EVM.
A 5 volt signal is being sent from there. अब इसके ऊपर फोकस रख. ये करना था ना पहले.
हाँ सही.
इसके ऊपर फोकस रखना. ऐसे पूरा घुमा.
The 5 volt signal is being sent by our presiding officer. The machine has been activated to enter the vote.
इसके ऊपर फोकस रख.
And the voter, sorry, we can't show you which party is going to vote. A voter will enter the corresponding number
LCD पे उल्टा करके
to the party he is going to vote. Now the voting has been done. Now our second voter, Mr. Amrit Badam, is going to come and enter the vote. I'm going to show you a close view of the computer screen. Presiding officer is going to click on the identification button. Identification has started. Now the voter will press on the fingerprint device. The machine shows it to be correct. The ID is displayed at ID number 6. Now, since he is a legitimate voter, the presiding officer will check his database. Using the ID, the database comes out to be Mr. Amrit Badam. This is a close view of the form that we are going to show you. Now after this, currently the EVM is in waiting state. You can see the waiting for user being displayed on the EVM. Now he is going to activate the EVM using our parallel port monitor device. The data pins are being switched on and off. The EVM device has now been activated to enter the vote. The voter will enter the vote as per his desire to the party he wishes to vote. He has given the vote and the machine now returns to the waiting state. Now to end the voting process, the presiding officer will again activate the machine Then using his control button, he can use it to display the vote count. He's using his control buttons. It shows it here, enter code to end voting. He's entering the required code to end the voting process. Here two options are provided for the rolling display or party-wise display. In rolling display, a continuous display of all the party and their votes will be provided. In party-wise display, you can easily show the vote for each party as he desires. Roll display. He's going to show you how to use a roll display. Here, after a few seconds delay, the vote of each party are being shown. After showing the votes, the machine will return to the vote display mode. Here again the rolling display or party-wise display can be shown. If he wants to switch off, the machine can again be switched off so that the presiding officer can view the votes later on. He's showing you how to switch off the machine. This concludes our voting process. And now this is me, our cameraman,
Inderpreet Singh Narayan Singh.
Hello.
And this, we are 4 group mates.
And these are our 4 group mates, Mr. Abhishek Vishnuari,
Hi.
Arpit Gupta, and a very special Amrit Badam. Thank you.
अब यहाँ पे रखो कैमरा चारों आ जाओ जल्दी से देखो आ रहे हैं चारों Hey, if anyone want to implement this and buy this, please contact us on our email ID that will be provided in below our YouTube video. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Switching off.